Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm talking about ViDiq. It is an application which is used by the YouTubers who are making the videos. So basically this video is for those people who are start making videos on YouTube or those who are already making the videos on YouTube. So this video will help for those people. Maybe you should came across this ViDiq application review out there, but I am going to share my experience that what kind of help that I get from ViDiq application and how you should also use this application for your videos that you are uploading on YouTube or wanted to upload on YouTube for so long. So I will share few features of the ViDiq that I am using, and it is the free application version that I am using. Basically it has the paid version also and the free version also. So I am using the free version first of all to see out the things that how things working. So far I am liking it. It is a very good application. It is a very good application for reviewing our analytics and videos, how the videos are going well on YouTube or not, what are the research we should have to do while uploading the video, what is the title of the video should be, what is the description is all about, and it has give lot of information and idea before uploading the video on YouTube, that how we can make proper use of the ViDiq and make our video reach to wider audience. Okay, so I will share some of the points that I have gained this application ViDiq. So I will share my experiences, what are the things that I am using from this application for my channel. So first one is it is very helpful for the keyword research and the text we are using in our videos to reach the videos for the more number of people. So if you see my previous videos, I have to do the keyword research, so that how can I put the right kind of keywords on my YouTube video that I am uploading so that it get good number of views, and good number of views means like it is going to seen by so many people. So this is how we have to search the keywords, right keywords for our video. So by this application our this problem is solved, like we don't have to search so many keywords from the other resources that which keyword is right for our video. VidIQ is already provided this feature that it give us it suggested already provide this feature. It suggested us the good keywords that will help us to rank our video. So this is a very hassle-free thing that we don't have to search for the keywords. It is already mentioned by the ViDiq, like this is the right keywords, high SEO keywords that we are using for our videos. You may be heard of the term SEO, like search engine optimization. Really, search engine optimization is the skill that we used and learn for ranking our videos. It is also used in blogs also to rank our videos and blogs on the Google and in YouTube platform to rank our videos on YouTube. So basically basic SEO is that we have to see the right kind of keywords that can fit into the particular video to help us to rank in the YouTube platform. So those who don't have the knowledge of SEO, this ViDiq help us to provide the right kind of keywords already, and we just have to use them in our video for the better views, for better reach. So this is how this ViDiq is very good. And second thing also, sometimes if you don't have ideas that what kind of videos should I go for next, it is also suggest the weekly ideas that you can make the videos on. So it is also very good, like somehow you are left with ideas, then you can make the videos. Also give us the performance of our channel, like how our channel is going, like it gives us the analytics that what kind of people are what is the age group of people are watching. It gives us the data of how the performance of the channel is going, and it is also give us the analytics. So basically there is a platform that is provided by YouTube also, like YouTube Studio, where we can see the data of analytics and all these things. But apart from that, what ViDiq is doing, ViDiq is also providing our competitors research also, like the same channel, similar channel that are like us, what are their performances and what we can do to our channel for more growth and for more views, for better reach, whatever you can say. This is the advantage of the ViDiq that we can use. Also it helps us in the text that we are using in our videos, in our description basically, so for the better reach obviously. So this is how VidIQ is helping so much for the better research of the videos, for better ideas, for better SEO. This is all they are provided free, and their paid version are also very good. But if you are initially using it as a beginner, just started out with the free version, because it has lot of feature that one can use in free also. So this is all they are providing with the free basic plan. So start using this application for your purpose, start making the videos and start using VidIQ. Do the SEO research for your videos, and I hope you find this video helpful, and I will be coming with next informative video very soon. Until then, you take care of yourself and bye.